Draw your attention to the two custom windows on the front. So really nice one. So again, really nice window, nice upgrade and nice feature. An automated system with pH monitoring as well. And everything's in there, nicely tucked away. Electric hookup, ready to go. Hi guys, welcome back to Cabin Depot. Haven't had a chance to show you one of our 40 by 8 foot container swimming pools. We've actually got one going out next week, this one right here. So before it goes, I want to do a quick video and get it out to you so you all get a chance to see it, because it's a really, really cool product. So to show you this one, first you have a look at the size of it. So 40 by 8, 12 meters long. It's the biggest container swimming pool that we do, and it is a really, really nice size. So straight away I want to draw your attention to the two custom windows on the front. So really nice big fixed windows. You can see that when that's full of water, it's just going to look great in the garden. Cool anthracite colour on the outside. You've got a Westminster grey decking to match, and it's got to say, it just looks really nice. It's a nice colour combination. If you pan to the left slightly, we've got some custom stairs, which we're going to go and have a little look at later on. And if you pan this way, you'll see, again, the full size of this pool. And if we come down to this end, there's another window on the end as well to check out as well. So coming around here, you can see the whole way through the end on this one. So again, really nice window, nice upgrade and nice feature. And if you look right the way through the length of the pool, you can see the whole way through. So big pool basin, plenty of space to swim. And you've got an LED light right at the end. At night time, when that's shining through towards the window, it's going to really light up that pool, and it's going to look really, really cool at night time. And another feature, underside the whole perimeter of the pool, just below the decking, you've got an LED strip light. So if you come in and have a little look underneath, you've got an LED strip light running all the way down around the whole perimeter. And again, at night, that downlit in the garden, it's going to look really, really nice. So coming back this way, again, take note on how big the pool is. So 40 foot, 12 meters all the way down. Inside, you've got a 1 meter 30 water line, and the external height on this is around about the 1.5 meter mark. Custom stairs built by us. This customer wanted them to match the pool. As you can see, you've got corrugation on the outside, matching decking colour, and you've got the safety rail on the side. And if we go upstairs, we can show you decking at the top. So come on up. So as you come up, you will see, obviously, the stairs. You've got a nice decking on the top. Decking all matched in a Westminster grey. As you pan around here, you can see the full length of the pool here. So again, you can really take note of the size. Nice blue colour inside. One thing to really note is this shallow end. So you've got a nice shallow end to the pool. So if you've got kids and you want a little area where they can sit down and play safely, that's a really nice feature. Two stairs down into the deep end, and you've still got plenty of space to swim. Obviously, if you didn't have the shallow end, you've got even more space for swimming. So just take note of that as well. Plant room is down here. So these pools are built, ready to go, plug and play. Through this hatch, you can see all of your plant equipment. So if you come in and have a little look through there, you can see you've got all of the plant equipment you need. Again, plug and play ready. So you can literally land these in the garden, plug them in, and they're ready to go. If I close that, you can also see the plant room from down below, which I'll show you in a second. But one more thing while we're up here, you've got the pool cover as well. So this one's just got a standard foil manual roller. But again, really good feature. Cover the whole pool up, keep any debris out. And it's a really nice add-on as well. So really take note of that, and then we'll go back downstairs and I'll show you the plant room. So follow me. So again, custom stairs. We'll come round to the back of the pool. And the first thing to note is you've still got the original container doors. So container cargo doors with the container handles, which is a really nice look, again with the grey. And then if you come in, you can close these doors up and you can lock them up. And then you've got full access this side if you need it. If not, you've got the hatched access to your plant equipment. And all you need to do is get it on site, plug it in, fill it up, and you're ready to go. The only thing you really need to do is get your ground preparations done, your end, obviously, to receive the pool on delivery. So if you're interested in the pools, or if you've got any questions on this pool or anything that we do, give us a shout. And it's definitely a good time to order one of these pools. At the moment, you've got around about a 6 to 8 week lead, but just bear in mind, we are coming out of season. So as we go back into season, that lead can increase. So if you've got any questions, or if you want to make an order of us, give us a shout, and we'll see you on the next video. Cheers, guys.